Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Our Juventus the reason to replace Wojciech Szczesny with our own Ben Leno. You know, say they believe say that Wojciech Szczesny said the guy they keep very well. Say the guy they letting some kind goals they're supposed to concede. And he said don't they change player, so they feel say it is high time make themselves change their goalkeeper. The way we say we could just try our new goalkeeper, we could see what goes up, and the new goalkeeper can't play very well. So who knows? Maybe Ben Leno if he go there now can't go play very well. You know, say if you compare the intensity of English league and the intensity of Italian league, so I believe say that Italian league will be better suited to in game because you know it will be fast-paced game that they play there, now slow and steady. You know, so I just wish I'm all the best. I hope so by January they can collect the guy safe. I'm a surprise, Arsenal the reason to collect Oxlade-Chamberlain back from Liverpool. You know, say the guy now surplus to requirement for there. The guy know they get game time, and everybody knows say nobody like to stay for Benjamin. And this already be say for January now, Partey they go, El Neni they go. So for that midfield, go they vacant somehow. So that's why I can't really say, the best person who go carry come back. We no go even to cost like that. Now this Oxlade-Chamberlain because the guy no really they see first team football and instead they keen to move. So it go be win-win for everybody. So everything at January now, we know how to solve. On my marital spirit itself, they let us know say Arsenal they extremely keen to sign this Youssef El Nesri where they play for Sevilla. And the reason we make one by this guy, we say this guy scored 24 goals last season. The guy they hot, and this season the guy don't score plenty goals. So that's why everybody the reason say this guy, and he very young, now 24 years old, say go good make him come join Arsenal. But another reason wey go make me they say why we won't sign this guy? Say this guy now from Morocco. I know they go for Cup of Nations. So from January 9 to February 9, in case they go the competition, they can't reach final. The guy no go there available for January. So what's now the point of signing him? We say Aubameyang accept the come out. Like I said, they like it to come out for January. So why we can't sign striker? We know we can't play for us for January. It no go make sense now. So instead, we could sign that Dominic Calvert-Lewin. That one will make sense for us. Or we sign Oli Watkins. I would like we could do all those kind of signings. That could go for person we say the January one buy and make him come play guns. So that January instead no good day. I be honest say I'm not. It no make sense now. Our Smith Rowe don't score one sweet goal when they play against Andorra. England under 23. They play against Andorra. The guy just collect one pass from this year. You see where the guy don't run from 18, run past everybody. They can't throw the pass. And Curtis Jones give him the pass, but I just score. The team make everybody happy. People call the talk say see they don't know say Smith Rowe I be run like this. So we see the way the guy they run and say no they run like that for Arsenal now. I be whether that because of the midfield role when they play. That's why I can't be like that. Nobody know. But another thing that go understand me say na under 23 baba they play. Now what I expect now for now. When I calm down, Jerry, when I no overhype this guy, overhype in the key person. Okay, we can't better come outside. They advise Martinelli so Baba can tell am say see everybody get their own time. See by next season now, not even next season, say by January now, like I said, they likely to come out. If you don't come out, one vacant slot don't they there. Even if they go buy new player, Kochi will still give you chance, make it play. Aubameyang self they go Cup of Nations, you get 2 slots will be free for January. Your chance will come, and when your chance come, make sure say you take am. Then give you chance, make sure say you take am. Try to the score. Now if you score, Kochi will get confidence and say okay, we go dey play. You see Saka. Now when Saka always see so he never play like 2 seasons for Arsenal, though. You get. So now when you get in chances, you take am. See Smith Rowe. When you start to play for Arsenal, everything now about chances. When you get your chance, you perform to the highest level. So that Kochi will say, that's my boy. So now so everything just be so. Your chance they come. When you get am, make sure say you take am. But surprise, Newcastle don't offer Aaron Ramsey 3 years contract. Though Baba never accept am, but they hope say in the coming weeks or coming months by January, say the guy go accept am. Let him say okay, I will come join you now for January, but they never know because Juventus still get other plans because the reason say they won't sign Man United for Pogba, so the reason say make them give Ramsey to United so that it will reduce the fee of Pogba. We never know how these different scenarios they work out, all this permutation and calculation. So now by January we will know how it goes up. But like now, Newcastle they para. Andre Belotti don't come outside. They talk some kind things about Arsenal move and Everton move. You know, say Babaka they talk say, no be to move to Arsenal be the problem. Say in the fear, say if he come Arsenal now, say chances of representing Italy for World Cup next year, say if it will diminish, if it will go down the pecking order because they see Arsenal like say then they struggle, and Everton sef no really dey top pass. Same people like to join any club. No be club wey dey fight for honours now, club wey dey for Europe, so that at least they go still rate am say okay, you still be senior man. So na im fear be that, no be say he no like to join Arsenal, but currently as Arsenal no dey Champions League, they no dey Europe, no. You get as e go be, na e go be like say we wan come scatter im stock, bring the stock down. So na wetin Baba dey fear. So me, I no know wetin I go fit tell am o. It is what it is. We no dey go Europe, so we no fit change am. No wayo, no juju. We no dey go be say we no dey go. So that one no fit change am. If you wan join us, make you join us. If you no wan join us, find your square root down. We no dey beg you. Omoyebo Oxlade-Chamberlain himself don come outside after him dey reason all the moves, stories wey dem dey talk say okay, Arsenal dey come for am, and Arsenal na where him get friends plenty na. Even the manager Mikel Arteta, he don play with Mikel Arteta before, you get, so no be new place for am. Because the hierarchy still like am, and himself like the hierarchy. Forget say him move to Liverpool, so Baba dey reason say if he no get playing time for Liverpool, say he go consider him options for January. So maybe na Arsenal move go favour am, him go know by that time. William Saliba don come outside for media setting wey they call dey ask am say she finally na she don see the reason wey make Mikel Arteta send am out to Marseille. So Baba come talk say na true, say say really thank Mikel Arteta, say this Marseille move na wetin really need, and he thank the manager. You know say sometimes you be like small pikin wey dey put am for fire, you wey be adult, you come dey look am come on your hand, you go dey cry say I want to put my hand, you put it, you comot am, you go dey cry, you no go see wetin dey say. That's why they say wetin adults or elderly person dey sit down dey see, if you like go climb the tallest Iroko tree, no go see am. So now Baba come dey appreciate wetin Mikel Arteta do for am, say Arteta dey try. E come be like say that Marseille move, the place come dey make am more enlightened, dey make am dey do very well. So that's why they dey very very happy. Well, this one I dey happy for am, make him continue in development. Hopefully after this season and next season we go take over all those kind Pablo Mari and Holdings, so that we come get a very very good people wey go dey for that place. Well, a nice one. Lacazette don come outside, come make am very very clear say as him dey like this now, he no get any intention to sign any Arsenal contract extension, even if they offer am to am. Say wan find square roots, because nobody go like to dey for Benjamin. The guy don play just 49 minutes this season, and e no make sense for a player of him caliber. You get, and no be say person wey dey use dey replace and dey fire with all cylinders o. The person sef dey flop and dey still put himself for Benjamin. Na wetin dey make about the para. So he go find greener pastures by January. This one we say Newcastle sef the reason the matter. So we never know how that one go solve. Juventus sef the reason the matter. We never know how that one go solve. So I don't say a lot of options. Even I say West Ham sef the reason the matter also. But Arteta know wetin he want to do. If Baba don go, maybe they will give us Dominic Calvert-Lewin, or they will give us Oli Watkins. I go dey very happy. But they can go give us one shit packer wey we no know from anywhere. I no come happy for that one. They give us Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Oli Watkins, or Yusuf Nesri. My belly go sweet. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time when they see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.